firemen. There they go. There they go. Look at those cool guys. Are they cool? Yeah, they're so cool. They're gonna make sure everything's okay. Look at, there they go. There they go. Say bye, fireman. There they go. They're gonna get in their big truck. Is that so cool? Do you like the fireman? Yeah. Pretty cool guys. Pretty cool dudes. Can you show me your shirt? What's on there? Is that a fire truck? You got a fire truck on for the fireman. Look! What do you say? Tell him thank you? Oh my goodness! That's so cool! You tell him thank you, like this? Thank you. Oh, that's so cool! Wow, that's so nice! You got to show your mama and daddy! That's so cool! Now you're a fireman! Look at, there's the truck! What an exciting day! It's like going on a field trip. Wow, now. There they go. Wave goodbye. Say bye. Cool, dude. Wow, that is so cool. And you have your fire truck shirt on even.